12 men are buried right here. And every one of them died so someone, somewhere, could put a rock on their night stable and call it healing. No one built anything here. That was the point. The mine where miners died for your salt lamp. Tonight on Factory Insight.
This is Khewra, world's second largest salt mine. 6.7 billion tons of salt still locked inside. Less than 4% of it ever touched.
Opened in 1872 under British rule. First called the Mayo Salt Mine. Hand-mined, room and pillar. No explosives inside, ever, specifically to protect the crystal structure. But why does a rock this old, dug by hand, under a rule built to protect the stone, and not the men swinging the pickaxe, end up glowing on a bedside table in Dubai or Detroit, sold as something that heals you?
Somewhere below us right now, a gang is already behind on today's quota.
That number has mattered since 1872. In 1998, mine management pulled the mechanized rock cutters out to save money. Since then, loose sealing sections come down the way they did a century ago. A miner wedges an iron bar into the seam and pries. It's cheaper. It's also the only thing standing between a gang and a collapsing roof.
Hussein is third generation Khewra. His grandfather mined here, his father too.
This is my life, my blood. Every grain of salt here is a part of me.
Good wages. Free treatment for himself and his family at the mine's own hospital. For his household, this job is the safety net, not the danger. Meanwhile, thousands of miles from this tunnel, a product listing glows on a phone screen. Releases negative ions for deeper sleep, it reads. Let's come back to that. More than 100 people die in Pakistan's mines every year. In Punjab alone, 237 workers were killed between 2019 and 2023. Nobody outside this valley hears those numbers. Everybody outside it has heard of the lamp. Under British rule, workers here, men, women, children, were locked inside the tunnels until they hit the day's quota. In 1876, 12 of them protested. They were shot dead at the gate. Their graves are still there, unmarked. 250,000 tourists walk past them every year without knowing what's under their feet. The Colonial quota system is gone. The quota isn't. Today's miners are paid by the ton, not the hour. About $2.75 a ton, split across a gang of 20 to 30 men. Same pressure, different owner. Today, this gang breaks a clean block free with 20 minutes still on the shift clock. Quota made, early for once.
But the mine doesn't slow down for a good day. Tomorrow's gang inherits the same number.
The global salt lamp market alone is worth $2.8 billion. Pakistan's entire salt export industry earns about $80 million a year. It would take that whole industry 35 years to earn what 1 year of lamp sales abroad is worth.
Hussein's gang lost a man last year.
A sealing section let go while he was working it loose with an iron bar. The same tool, the same kind of seam.
Hussein still walks past that stretch of tunnel every shift. He hasn't asked for a transfer.
Cut to a bedroom half a world away. Warm lamp glow, soft blanket. A phone propped up filming an unboxing.
This is Khewra, world's second largest salt mine.
Back to that listing. Releases negative ions, purifies your air, improves your sleep. 3 things have to be true for this lamp to do what the box says.
And independent researchers checked all 3.
None of it held up.
One tester found the ion output.
From a lit salt lamp too small to reliably measure at all.
The iron bar, the seam Hussein still walks past. That's what killed the miner and his gang. Pried loose the old way, in a mine that stopped paying for the machine that used to do it safer. And the lamp itself isn't even safe once it leaves the mine. In 2017, US regulators recalled more than 80,000 of these lamps. Then another 3,900, because their dimmer switches could overheat and catch fire.
It was never really about your health. It's a rock, mined by hand, sold on a claim nobody has ever proven.
Wired badly enough in some units to burn down the room it's supposed to be calming.
End of shift. Hussein's gang made quota, barely, in the last 20 minutes.
Zarahma asks if he'd ever consider other work.
This is what feeds my children.
This is what paid for my brother's hospital.
He goes back down tomorrow, not because anyone forces him to. Because for his family, the risk is the wage. And the wage is worth it. Nobody in that mine has ever said the words, negative ion. They know the tonnage number and what it buys. The gang walks out past the same stretch of bare ground from the opening. Nobody looks down. Somewhere tonight, a lamp like this one is glowing on a nightstand. It has never healed anyone. It never needed to. It just needed someone, somewhere, willing to go underground for it.